Hello, my name is Frank. I'm the founder and managing partner of Media in 360, and I want to personally introduce you to our company. I created this company with one simple goal: to provide advertising agencies, SEOs, and local businesses owners a one-stop shop for high-quality, low-cost search-optimized interactive content. In our ever-expanding digital world, content is king and the key to any successful modern marketing strategy. We produce whiteboard animations, explainer videos, virtual tours, business videos, and royalty-free 360-degree interactive content. Our services are available worldwide and backed by the industries with 101% customer satisfaction guarantee. I hope Media in 360 can earn the opportunity to fulfill your next interactive media project.